You're connected to everything, but feel scattered in both your space and your screen. It's time to clear the noise, digital and physical. This is Clutter Free Living. Ever feel like your phone is taking more of your time than you realize? Like there's clutter, but it's invisible and distracting. Today, I'll share how I declutter my digital life to reclaim over 10 hours every week. Let's start with something simple but powerful. Step 1. Manage your notifications. Notifications can be overwhelming and steal your focus all day. Turn on focus mode on your phone and allow alerts only from your most important apps, like messaging, calendar, or work tools. Set a rule to disable at least 90% of your notifications for 1 week. You'll feel less distracted and more in control of your day. Step 2. Automate your email inbox. Your inbox can be a major source of distraction. Use email filters to automatically archive newsletters and promotional emails, so only important messages reach your inbox. This simple setup saves you from constantly sorting through clutter. You'll be surprised how much mental space you gain. Step 3. Review and cancel unused subscriptions. Many of us pay for apps and services we rarely use. Use subscription management apps like Truebill or Copilot to track and cancel unnecessary charges. Make it a habit to review your subscriptions every quarter. This simple habit can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Step 4. Organize your digital files. Digital clutter isn't just notifications and emails. Regularly delete duplicates, archive old files, and keep only what you need on your devices. This reduces clutter and helps your devices run faster and smoother. You'll notice better performance and less frustration. Step 5. Limit social media time. Social media can easily consume hours without you realizing. Set daily app timers or use built-in screen time features to control usage. Sticking to these limits helps protect your focus and mental energy. You'll feel more present in real life. Step 6. Clean your home screen. A cluttered home screen can cause unnecessary distraction. Keep only essential apps visible. Hide or uninstall the rest. This way, when you unlock your phone, you're not tempted by unnecessary apps. A clean screen means a clear mind. Step 7. Back up important data. Always keep your important files backed up, either on the cloud or external drives. This protects your data and gives peace of mind. You never know when a backup might save you from a disaster. Be prepared, stay safe. Step 8. Schedule weekly declutter sessions. Spend just 15 to 20 minutes each week to tidy your digital life. This small habit prevents clutter from building up again. Set a weekly reminder to keep you accountable. Consistency is key to lasting change. By following these simple steps, I reclaimed over 10 hours every week. Imagine what you could do with that extra time. Start small, take control, and enjoy a clearer, more focused life. Download the free Digital Declutter checklist linked below to get started today. If this helped you, subscribe for more tips on living focused and clutter-free. Let go of the excess. Make space for what truly matters. If that speaks to you, subscribe and share the journey. This is Clutter Free Living, where less gives you more.